Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite reality shows, Love is Blind, and what we can expect from the upcoming Season 5 and the special reunion series, After the Altar. If you're not familiar, before continue, I request you to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon button for new videos notifications on time. Familiar with Love is Blind. It's a show where singles try to find their soulmates by dating in pods, where they can only hear each other's voices and not see each other's faces. After a few days of pod dating, they have to decide whether to propose or walk away. Then, they get to meet their fans or fiancé for the first time and see if they are physically attracted to them. The couples then move in together and plan their weddings, while also facing the challenges of the real world and meeting each other's families and friends. At the end of the experiment, they have to say, "I do" or "I don't" at the altar. Sounds crazy, right? Well, it gets even crazier in Season 5, which will premiere on Netflix on September 22. This time, the show will feature singles from Houston, Texas, who will enter the pods and hope to find love. The season will consist of 10 episodes, which will be released weekly until October 13. According to Netflix, this season will have more drama, more tears, more surprises, and more weddings than ever before. But before we get to see the new batch of hopeful romantics, we'll get to catch up with the Season 4 cast in a special 3-episode series called After the Altar, which will drop on September 1. In this series, we'll see how the married couples celebrate their one-year anniversaries and how the singles reflect on their journey. We'll also see them reunite for a flag football game and a party, where things will get heated and tense. Will they bury the hatchet or stir up more drama? Will they stay married or get divorced? Will they find new love or rekindle old flames? Wow, that looks intense. I can't wait to see what happens next. What about you? Are you excited for Love is Blind Season 5 and After the Altar? Who are your favorite couples from Season 4? Who do you think will make it or break it in Season 5? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.